Problem number 13, you should have had an answer of 11 degrees.
Yeah. I got that.
Okay, you want me to draw it?
Yeah. When I did the depression thing, I got where I put the wrong name.
Okay. 13, a plane flying at an altitude of 10,000 feet. That means from here up to here is 10,000. Right? And it says, is descending when the point at the end of the runway is 50,000 feet from a point on the ground directly below the plane, because the plane's up here. And I'm not going to try to draw the plane.
Come on, Norman. Please draw. Play. It can't be. That's the face.
Those are glasses.
No, those are glasses.
It's like an infinity sign gone wrong. Nice try. I like it. Okay.
Here's the end of the runway then, right?
Where?
Right. I want to see the runway.
Okay? Find the measure of the angle of descent or depression to the nearest degree. The plane is flying along like this.
Yeah.
You want to find the angle from here to here,
Yeah.
which means here's my triangle then. So if I'm finding this angle, either I find it here, here, or if I'm using this triangle, here.
Oh, right, yeah.
Okay? And if I find this angle, I have to subtract it away from 90 to find this one.
True.
So do you want me to find the red one or the black one?
The red one.
Okay? So the red one, then I have to come down here. How does this side relate to that angle? How does this side relate to that angle? So what's opposite and adjacent? So I'd have the tangent of the red angle equals 10,000 over 50,000. So the tangent of the angle is going to be 0.2. So since I'm finding an angle, the tangent of a negative 1.2 equals the angle.
Yes.
So the angle is equal to,
11.3.
and I think they want you to round it to the nearest degree.
Yep.
So 11.3 or 11 degrees equals the angle. How's that work out? Is that okay?
That was okay.
So does it make sense now? It doesn't?
Yeah, it does. I'm not in my head.
Yeah. Okay. 14. Find x to the nearest degree.
10.
Be 43.2.
Well done.
Any questions with that one? How did you find this if you didn't use law of sines?
I did use it.
Oh, you told me.
Yes, you did.
You told me earlier you didn't.
I did.
Oh, okay.
Why are you talking about the kids?
Number 15. 11.
I'll explain.
That's what I had.
I'm moody.
Degree?
Yes.
Okay.
16. 15.6 feet. 17. Finding it to the nearest degree. 20 degrees. 18. If you were to do that, you should have 33.0.
What'd you get? Oh, I got
You wanna do that one?
Do I wanna do number 18?
That's what you get.
So we have triangle X, Y, Z. Measure of angle X is 152 degrees. The length Y, which would be down here,
It's 15,
is 15.
and Z is 20, 19.
Z is here, would be 19. How do I know that's the position of those? Because it's opposite the angle. Okay? Find X to the nearest tenth. In other words, I want to find out here. So, we're going to label this little x. So, x squared, I'd have to use law of cosines, because don't I have two sides and the included angle?
19 squared plus...
Equals 19 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times 19 times 15 times the cosine of 152 degrees.
Oh my goodness.
Are you oh my goodnessing me?
No, that problem.
Well, it's the law of cosines.
I know.
So x squared is equal to, what's 19 squared?
The big number.
About 381?
Adrian's
Oh,
Oh, I know.
yeah, 361.
361?
Yeah.
15 squared is 225.
Oh, whatever.
Minus, what's 2 times 19 times 15?
That would be
570.
570.
Do it.
What's the cosine of 152 degrees?
Oh, mine's
Negative .8829.
Oh, man, it was right.
Right?
Yeah.
So then down here, I'd have x squared equals, what's 361 plus 225?
586.
What's a negative 570 times a negative 8829?
Negative 503.253.
Not negative, it's positive.
Oh, sorry, 503. Well, I still have negative.
Okay. 503 point what? What?
253? 4253?
No, 28.
Is that what you told me?
Yes.
Okay. So x squared equals, what's this plus this?
1089.253.
Now find the square root of it.
Oh, it's 33.
Come on, I wonder how you do that one. Because I got the answer right.
So if you found the square root of 1089.253, it's 33.0.
I got my jacket from my locker. It's cold. It's right outside the door.
Don't let her.
5 seconds.
Don't let her.
No.
We're targeting him after at the 12.
Are we all right?
I'm not trying.
So the answer to 18 was 33?
Yes.
Can I do the bonus?
Are you joking me?
Actually, to do the bonus, you have to know what geometric means are. And that we did not cover.
Okay.
I did that wrong then.
And yes, we did not cover 19 and 20.
It's the bonus one.
Yes.
I win.
Well, I had a 1 in there, so.
It's one answer.
No.
No, it's one.
We count.
Shut up.
No, but I'm going to tell you how to do them.
No more.
Yeah.
If you were doing 19, and no, we had not covered this, but yet it's something we should have.
Is it hard?
Not really.
Oh, cool.
Magnitude means the value of it. Okay? Just like this line right here has a value, doesn't it, in your bonus? Or this one down here had a value? Would you agree? Okay? If you're finding the magnitude and direction, it's easy to find the magnitude because all I need to do is find the distance between those two. Okay? That's all I would have to do to find the magnitude, was to find the distance. Okay? To find the direction, you actually have to draw it, so 8, 8. And 1, -3. So 1, -3 would have been like here. 8, 8. Would have been up here, that you can't see. Magnitude is that which would be the distance between them, right? Okay, to find the direction, can't I form a right triangle between those two? And to find the direction, I need to find that angle. Because you can find the distance here by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can find this by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kind of cool. What would I use? This is opposite, this is adjacent, isn't it?
Tangent.
So I probably use the tangent of the angle is going to be 11/7. And do that work from there. So I could. How do I copy the vectors to find S plus T? Well, this is S, right? This, if you're actually doing vectors, T would come in like this. Okay? And S plus T, if this is T and this is S, S plus T would be the resultant, which goes from the tail here to the head here. That's how they're actually found. All vectors are added together, head to tail. In other words, this is the tail, goes to the head, right? This is the tail, goes to the head, and then it's the vector that, this is also called a resultant.
So that's all you have to do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. That's not hard at all.
No.
Well, I should do that on the test first.
What?
On the test, will we do these?
No. But honestly, they aren't that difficult.
Obviously.
It's just a different notation that's
That'd be
used
your
on it.
answer right there.
Yes, that would be your answer.
What is that?